Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.